If you like Star Wars, this thing is super cool, guys, I gotta say. I'll leave the links to this guy in the description section of the video below. Okay, so I wanted to make this quick video today because I have a very real product that's pretty useful. I know it's very useful to me. It deals with your vehicle. So you know what? Let's just roll the intro. Let's start this video. Hey guys, going Keisha, making more videos again. And today, guys, we have that product right there. It's a 300-watt inverter. Converts your DC power to AC power, and you can plug whatever you want in it. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, first off, there's a lot of wind noise. It is quite a bit windy outside, so I do apologize. Here's the actual box right here. So like I said, this is a 300-watt power inverter. What it does is basically takes your 12-volt power source that is DC and converts it into 110 volts AC. In layman's term, it turns your little car charging port, cigarette lighter, whatever you want to call it, into a normal outlet plug. So you can plug your TV, laptop, PlayStation, whatever, as long as it uses 110 volts, which most products use 110 volts. It's from this company called Glue. Let's unbox this bad boy. Oh, already I can see the little car charging port right here. Simple enough. And then the actual product itself. Look at this bad boy. I'm gonna put this down to the side. Here's some literature right here. Make sure you read it if you need to. Other than that, nothing else in the box. Whoa, let's take a look at the power inverter, guys. All right, so first of all, I gotta say this is a very simple product. You have the actual cable right here that connects straight to your car charging port. You have your little on-off switch right here, and then you have two plugs in the front right here, and also two plugs that are for USB ports. They're both 2.4 amps, and on top of that, everything right here, it's metal, okay? So it's not like cheap plastic or anything like that. There is a fan back here to keep everything cool, and everything is ventilated and stuff. And on top of that, it comes with a nice, red color. Obviously, you can get other colors. I believe it just, the link will be in the description section below. Get the color that you like. I like red, and it looks simple enough, guys. So what I'm gonna do is test this out on a Genesis, plug this bad boy in, try the USB ports, and try these guys with my cell phone and laptop. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, let's get to my vehicle here, and I have a couple of different things in this bad boy, including my laptop, the plug for the laptop. And you guys know that you can't actually charge your laptop using anything in your vehicle unless you have something like this inverter. I also have my iPhone right there, and I have a power brick to test out both of these guys at the same time with the inverter. First thing first, I want to turn on my vehicle and back it out of my garage just a little bit so the fumes are not in the garage. Put this bad boy in eco mode. Let's hit that reverse. All right, that's good enough. Next, I'm gonna plug this bad boy into the cigarette lighter port, car charging port, whatever you want to call it, that circle thing right there, because that's the only thing cars can take. And there we have it, plugged in. And now we're just gonna turn it on with the switch on the back. There we go. Now it's already on. I can hear the fans already going. Beautiful. It's actually turned on, and the vents are working really well. You can actually feel the fan on back there. And first, I want to test out the USB ports right there. So let me plug the iPhone in the USB ports. Put it in there, and then I have my iPhone right here. Let's actually plug this bad boy in. Bam, already powered up and ready to go. As you can see, it's charging. So that's simple enough, guys. You can see it's charging already. We already knew that was going to work because it's a simple USB port, 2.4 amp. Not bad. Now what we want to do is check if these two plugs work, and let's see if they charge both my phone and the laptop at the same time. Right when I plugged it in, as you can see, it's already charging the device. You can see the little charging indicator right there. So it's already charging the device. It's at 77%. It's really charging it quickly, guys. So this thing is working fairly well. Now we're gonna plug in the laptop and see if they can charge both of them at the same time. Here's a big plug from Mac right here, and let's just plug this bad boy in. We all know we can't plug either one of these bad boys into the vehicle directly, but now you can. This is awesome because I go camping all the time. Let's go plug this guy in, and I want to see this guy get power. Look at that. So already you can see the green light right there, and also you can clearly see it is charging. It's really simple product, and I'm going to take it off, put it back in. There we have it, guys. It's charging again. Obviously it's at 100% because I have this plugged in all the time into my house. And let's check out the iPhone right here. As you can see, it's charging this guy right here, the iPhone, and also charging the laptop as well. That's really awesome, guys. So I'm liking this, guys. So here's the actual device right here, and I'm touching it. It's not hot at all. It's completely bone cold to the touch. Maybe if it's running for a very long extended period of time, it might get slightly warm, but as of right now, it's completely cool to the touch. And then the fan blowing out cold air as well. It's not, you know, hot or anything like that. So really awesome. I'm loving this device, guys. Absolutely loving it. I will leave the link in the description below. This was a very short video because it's a simple product. Choose the color you want. I'll leave it in the description below. This would be awesome for anyone who goes camping or just wants to, you know, plug their laptop in, or any kind of plug that uses a regular plug like this. This is a 2-prong, but however, guys, make sure you realize that you can use a 3-prong plug right here. So it has 3 prongs on both of them. Let me unplug this guy as well. You can see it has dual 3-prong plugs, so don't worry. So if you have a device that uses 3-prong plug, there we go. This is awesome, guys. I'm absolutely loving this thing. I'm going to be using this all the time, and I know you will love it. Alrighty, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase the power inverter is going to be in the description section of the video below, so make sure you go check it out. I think I'm going to have that in my what I have in my car at all times list, guys. The kit that I have in the description below, what I have in my car at all times. I think I'm going to update that and have that power inverter in that, because I already actually have it in my trunk right now, because I think that it's a great product to have at all times in your vehicle, just in case. Okay, if you don't have a power outlet that you need to power something that requires a power outlet, bam, you got it. So I'm absolutely loving that thing. And also, obviously, when I go camping and stuff, I'm gonna be using that at all times, trust me. The links to that are gonna be in the description below as well. There should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace.